You're watching this video, then you might have heard about Linux. Linux is a family of open source and free operating systems which are built using Linux kernel as base. Linux is written in C language. You use Linux every single day whether you know it or not. Almost 80% of mobile phones are powered by Android, which is also built around Linux kernel. Linux is used in servers, mobile devices, embedded devices, data centers, desktop computers, and even supercomputers and many other places. Back in September 1991, when Linus Torvalds first released Linux and made it open to the world, from that day till today, a large number of changes and improvements were made by the huge community of developers. The reason Linux is powerful and rich in features is because there are a huge number of developers work on it at the same time, where other operating systems like Windows and iOS have limited developers. There is a major Linux kernel release in every 3 to 4 months, where other operating system takes a long time. A lot of tech giants like Google, Amazon, Facebook uses Linux. Linux operating system family has multiple distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, Red Hat, etc., which we will be discussing in our next video, so stay tuned. You can read more by visiting reference links provided in show notes aka video description. If you like Linux, then hit that like button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday about Linux, hacking, concepts of computer science, Internet of Things, so consider subscribing.